Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I just had to do a little video up here in the mountains in our alfalfa patch up here in the mountains. It's just such a beautiful place to come up and work. Anyway, I got a whole bunch done here, the majority of it. Just beautiful alfalfa hay. A lot of it is really good. This is the best hay I've cut all year. A lot better than down in the valley. It's a lot more moisture up here. But anyway, I wanted to show you from a previous video. I had a problem with the hay getting stuck on those springs down there, and so that piece right there in the middle of the camera, I added that piece to there and a piece to the other side. Evidently they had been broke off or something, and that helped a lot, but it didn't solve the problem of that hay binding up and plugging the conditioner all together. And a good friend of mine, Robbie, had a suggestion that I try, and he said to run the RPMs higher. He said it might fling out that hay better if the RPMs are running higher, and so I tried that and it worked. And so this thing's cutting even the good thick hay with the RPMs running higher. Anyway, I got everything done here except for maybe a half acre or a quarter acre, and I had a breakdown. You can see that piece there is supposed to be a rubber spot in there, and then that piece bolts up through this wobble arm. So that's unfortunate to break down and only have a half acre left to do, or a quarter acre, something like that. But anyway, I'll have to hopefully replace this piece. I don't know if it's available. If not, I may be able to fix this piece. You can buy that really hard rubber. I might be able to just fix it enough to get this last half acre cut, and then that'll give me a chance, because this is should be the last of the hay I need to cut with this swather of the first cutting. I'm going to just leave it up here on the mountain, and I'll be able to come back up here and do the second cutting with it. So I've got some time to get this worked out, if I can just get it pieced together enough to get the rest of this first cutting done. Anyway, when I'm running it wide open, it really covers the ground. So I got the new bushing. The Case International dealer had the bushing in stock, just had to go and drive and get it. And this old one, I just knocked it out with a chisel. So we're going to try to get this new one put back in now. So that new one just tapped right into place. It's pretty tight, but it hammered in. Well, I'm back on the mountain with my new part. Just bolts on right there, and lucky for me, somebody in the past has gone through and changed these from the rivets to the bolts. So all I had to do to take that piece off was as undo these nuts. I got them laying here, so that was quick and easy. So I'll get this thing back together and get finished up. Okay, mission accomplished. Everything back together. Thanks to the Valley Implement in Grace, Idaho, had that part for me in stock. So that was awesome. I figured I might have to wait on it. So I'll be able to get this little bit of hay cut, get this job finished up here today. Thanks for watching.